Welcome to Apple Watch 6 review. This is the product red edition with the Milanese black link. It's a beautiful design, beautiful watch, so cool. OK， 我们来 pair 一下这个 iPhone. Ask if you want to pair the. Cool. Nice. Okay, we found it. Looks very cool. So restore from back. Continue. Looks pretty sleek. I like it a lot. Okay, it's asking me to agree to all this long contract right now. Anyways, let's do it. Let's just wait. I actually got the Graphite link before I received the watch, and I was so excited, so I opened it outside. What do you guys think about this other link I got? Can't wait to try it too. It actually looks quite nice in person. Of course, the first feature we're going to try is the pulse oximetry. Basically, you have to set it up and you have to wait 15 seconds. And the initial reading is saying I have 97%. I did a couple more try, both between the running and also without running. You know, look pretty similar. Personally, I think the red watch looked nice with a black dress shirt or other dark color theme t-shirt, but you can take a look at it for yourself. Now I'm swapping the band to the Graphite link, and it's very easy to swap it. You just press the button on the bottom of the Apple Watch, and then you can slide the new link into the groove. And you will click, and then that's all you need to do. And with the Graphite link, the steel link actually have a magnetic end. It's a small tip where it also can be adjusting the length of the actual band anywhere along the line of the link. So here it is again. So this is the red watch with the Graphite link with the black shirt. I quite like it still. And I think one of the other features I use the most is using the Apple Watch with a preview for the actual video recording function on your iPhone. And you can use the crown to zoom in and zoom out. It's actually a quite nice feature, and the speed is very fast. The other feature I use is using the Apple Watch as a key to unlock and lock your door, because by using this way you don't have to bring your phone nor your key. So when I go out for a jog, it's less cluttering. You guys should give it a try. It's quite convenient. It's too shaky when we're running outside while trying to record, so I'm gonna bring it back to my home in the patio. I have this power cage here for pull-up, and I'm using the watch to zoom in and zoom out. It's quite nice. I think the new strap with the flexibility is much more comfortable than the original plastic one. So even when I do pull-up or do leg raises, I don't really feel my watch on my wrist. And I'm going to be taking more walk and do some more hiking with the watch, and so please stay tuned for more review in the future. One thing I find out is the watch battery actually drains quite fast when you're doing exercise. I'm not sure if it's the firmware or the software version that need to be updated. I did have to reset the watch a couple times during the initial 10 days of use, and I'm trying to reset the watch as a brand new watch instead of restoring as an old watch. Yeah, like it's showing here, one time the battery just went out and it doesn't even charge for maybe like a couple hours, and then I pressed the both button on the right side here, and it automatically reset, and it has the Apple logo, and then it went back to charging. So I think I'm gonna give it a couple more tries, trying to understand if there's anything wrong with it, or else I'm gonna try to get a replacement and keep you all updated. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned and leave any comment if you have any questions, and like and subscribe.